Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how to properly cut the lace off of your wig. So if this is something that you're interested in, then keep on watching. So first thing first, what you want to do, especially if you have baby hairs on your wig, you want to make sure that you're kind of moving that out the way first before you start cutting any lace, because what you don't want to happen is you don't want to make a mistake and cut your baby hairs off. So you want to always push those off to the side before you begin to cut. And also, if you have any T-pins attached to your camera head, just keeping the wig down, you want to go ahead and remove those as well, because once you cut it off, you won't need those anymore in the front. So basically what I'm going to do here is I'm going to split the lace down the middle so I can pretty much have two pieces, and it'll be easier for me to cut the lace off, especially if you are a beginner. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off by cutting from one end and cutting pretty much the tab off, and then I'm gonna work my way all the way to the other side. Now there are two methods that you can do with cutting your lace off. You can either cut it straight across, which is what I'm doing here, or you can kind of cut it in a zigzag motion. It's totally up to you. It's just your preference on how you want to lay your lace. To me, I just cut it straight across because after applying makeup and making sure that I have my elastic bands on and everything, especially with the baby hairs, it's not really going to matter how I cut it as long as it's laid properly after with the install process. But right here, I'm just going ahead and cutting the lace off of the other side so that it can be identical to the side that I previously cut. And two, don't be afraid to go back in if you feel like you didn't cut enough lace off. It's totally fine as long as you don't cut too much of the hair off. But this is what it looks like when I've officially cut the lace off of the wig. I'm going ahead just relaying where I'm going to pretty much lay my baby hairs down at. This is the end of the video. If you guys have enjoyed it to the end, then make sure you hit that subscribe button.